Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You'll notice that my background's a little different. There aren't any plants today. I'm actually away from home, but thought I'll jump on here and do a quick unboxing and reveal of a parcel that I recently received. You'll know from the title of this video that it is the Lisa Eldridge Velvet Lip Collection. A bit of background, I am a huge Lisa Eldridge fan. I followed her blog and her work in publications as well as her YouTube channel, and she's one of my top favorite makeup artists. Just her elegance, her knowledge and her passion for it, it's really lovely to see, and I'm really happy to have got the lip collection this year because I missed out a couple of years ago when she launched it, and I was online when it went live, so I was able to grab myself a couple of items. I think one of the lip kits sold out pretty much in an hour and a bit when I had it in my cart, so I swapped a few colors here and there, but let's just have a look. So it arrived in this box, and first thing you see is Lisa's beautiful logo, and on the side of the box it says, "I can't wait to see your #Lisa Eldridge makeup photos. Please tag me at Lisa Eldridge Makeup on Instagram. Love, Lisa." And on the other side, "My shipping boxes and tissue papers are recyclable. Please recycle them. Smiley face." Alright, you may be wondering why such a big box just for lip products, and that is because Lisa created a sweatshirt for her team members that got really popular, so she made it available to her subscribers and fans. So I got myself a Team Lisa sweatshirt. It's just in this graphite grey in a very relaxed, loose fit, which is great for working from home. Most of this year I've just been in comfy clothing and can never get enough of sweatshirts. This one's ethically made as well from organic cotton, so really happy to be part of Team Lisa. And also I added that so I could get make the minimum amount to get free shipping on everything. Oh yes, she did mention that the first few orders would get these lip stickers included in their parcel, so that's just some of her lip stickers that you could put on your phone. I think it's got like a felt suede like texture on them, so it's pretty cute. And now for the lip products. So I got myself the lip kit, and this one here is in a special print that was a collaboration with a multimedia artist, John Jacobson. He created this original artwork especially for Lisa this year. It isn't actually in a color that matches my bedroom and wardrobe at all, because it's got bright reds and it's pretty strong, but these little velvet pouches, they're really luxurious. They actually feel like luxurious velvet. Come in, I think, a deep green, a burgundy and a navy color as well, and I was going to go for the green. However, there was something about this design that really spoke to me and I thought was really special, and I will style my vanity table around this. I've recently been cleaning up a bit of the makeup that I have, trying to minimalize again and play around with colors and how I organize all my makeup items. So I will see how I can incorporate this into my collection. So I got the lip kit, and I'll show you the other item later. So in this lip kit, there is the Enhance and Define Lip Pencil. And this is in the color Muse. So this whole kit will be in the color Velvet Muse. Then it also comes with the True Velvet lip color. In Velvet Muse. The Gloss Embrace. Also in the Muse color. So right off the bat, the packaging is so true to Lisa. It's a beautiful white and matte champagne gold, just debossed with her logo. Very classic, very Lisa. So I also got another velvet lip color just by itself, not in a kit, and that's in the color Velvet Blush. And the reason for that is I had the Velvet Blush and a lip kit in my cart ready to check out, and then it sold out. So clearly Velvet Blush is a very popular color that is well loved by many, so I swapped it around, got the Velvet Muse in the lip kit instead, and the Velvet Blush in the lip color by itself, which thankfully was still available at that time. So I'll do some swatches to show you the two shades that I got, so it's not a lot to compare with, but I tend to lean on nudie pinks or deep pinks and reds. I find that while I really love nude lip colors, because of my yellow olive undertone, it's really tricky to find nudes that don't wash me out or make me look unwell. My current favorite is the Tom Ford Indian Rose, and that's probably quite a pinky nude, but as nude as I can go. Prior to ordering this, I did clean out my makeup collection because I'm trying to go minimalistic with it and only keep the key products that I use. So a couple of reds, a couple of pinks, like really is all you need, especially with the pandemic. Haven't been using makeup very much, and after a while, you just don't need such a big collection, and I don't really spend a lot on beauty at all or shop for makeup very often, so I'm really happy with these little products, and I do hope that the colors suit me, and most importantly the formulation. With matte lipsticks, and I tend to be more dry on my skin and lips as well, so with matte lipsticks it can define the lines on my lips a bit more. So I tend to stick with the satiny sort of formulation. I'm not really into gloss, but after seeing Lisa's video on her gloss embrace, I think it's called, is it called Gloss Embrace? Yes, I am curious to try out this formulation, so I got it in only one color to see if I would like that. But yes, back to the whole matte lipstick. I'm hoping that with Lisa's being a velvet finish, that it would suit my lip well. So let's have a try and see how it goes. So we'll start with swatching the Enhance and Define lip pencil in the shade Muse. I believe Lisa did mention in her video that the lid on this is pretty tight to ensure that the product doesn't dry out, but it opened up quite easily for me, so that's not so much of a problem. So the formulation feels really nice. It goes on very smooth and soft on the skin, very satiny as well. And then we move on to the Gloss Embrace. also in the color Muse. So the doe foot applicator again glides on really well. It doesn't feel very sticky on my hand, but we'll see when it's on the lips. That's usually the issue I have with glosses is, you know, I don't like that tacky, sticky feeling on my lips, but we'll see how this one goes on. Moving on to lip color, and this one's in Velvet Muse, which completes the entire lip kit that I got in Muse. I love that this finish doesn't leave any fingerprints on it, which a lot of lip products actually do, lip packaging. You can tell that Lisa Eldridge put a lot of research and development in her product and her packaging, as they are so luxurious and well made. Velvet Blush, and this one I only got in a lip color, and wow, that is beautiful. So let's swatch this right next to Velvet Muse. So this was the color that was sold out in the lip kit in pretty much an hour and a half or 2 hours. There you have it, Velvet Blush. So I wouldn't say that this is a nudie pink, it actually is quite a deep pink, but I'm really excited to try this on as well. Enjoyed seeing the unboxing and the swatches of a couple of colors I got off Lisa Eldridge's lip collection, and found it helpful. If you'd like to see more, she has an extensive video showing the different colors, formulation and products that she released this year, so definitely jump on her YouTube channel. And if you'd like to purchase her products, I believe they are exclusive to her online store, so jump on her website for more information. She does deliver worldwide, and I received mine in I think a couple of weeks, all the way to Australia. If you enjoyed this content, please let me know. I've created a separate style and beauty playlist on my channel, and thank you so much for watching, and until I see you the next time, take care.